Hello everyone, hope you're all okay. Hope you had a nice weekend. We've got a beautiful sunny morning here today. It's absolutely lovely. Right, I'm coming on to show you some more butterflies that I've been doing. Thank you ever so much, Steph. Last week Steph showed us how to do the origami butterflies. That was my first one that I made. I did a video, showed that last week, and I've put a little hanger on it now, and it's hung up in my bedroom. And just before I show you the others, something else I've thought about, especially for the big ones, you could, I mean, Steph had put like little cards and that in there. Well, if you do bigger ones, you could do like a loaded butterfly. You know how there was the craze of the loaded envelopes and that sort of thing. You could do like loaded butterflies, and I don't know whether I'll ever do that or not, but it was just something I thought of when I'd got those open. Yes, so I got a little bit carried away. I've done them all with my painty papers again. Just a minute. Let's see if I can get, put a piece of white paper there. You might be able to see better then. I've done them all with my painty papers again, because I've got millions of painty papers, as most of you that watch me regular will know. I have glued them all down, and these ones all went a lot better than the big one that I did. I haven't gone round the edges or anything. All this lot is, they're going to be flying away, and then when I'm in the mood again, I'm going to make some more for myself and have them in my bedroom, have them on like a garland all around my bedroom. And I've actually got some, going off the subject now, but I've actually got a load of origami flowers, Cusadema flowers, that I've done hundreds of those over the years, and made bouquets and all sorts with those for different people, and I've got a load left, and I thought, oh, that'd be nice, so I could have a garland of these flowers that I've got left, and butterflies as well. It's my idea anyway. So they might look better with all going round the edge with distress ink or something, but I haven't done, because I just think they're pretty as they are. I absolutely love this one. This is my favourite one. I might actually have to keep that one. But they're so pretty. And for anybody that's not seen these, I will leave the link to Steph's video. If you don't, I've used double-sided papers. If you don't use double-sided, Steph shows you, how to go around the edges and that, so that when you're looking at that bit, you don't just see white. But my papers are double-sided, so I've made quite a few. Those little ones. These were, I think these ones were 8 by 8. I cut the papers for these ones. That big one I showed you, that was 12 by 12, and I'm sure these are 8 by 8. 8 1/4, sorry, by 8 1/4, because this printer paper which I've used is 8 1/4, and then these ones are probably, these are 6 by 6. But they're lovely. I just love them. I think these ones were 5 1/2 probably. I can't quite remember now. Yeah, I think these were 5 1/2. That's a pretty one as well. Yes, and there's more, and they keep going. But I have done these for a purpose, so I know that I will just make some more for myself, because they're, I can't believe I've never seen these on Pinstagram, because I know I would have done them if I had, because I just love paper folding. one, that one. See, I knew I'd done the double-sided papers for a reason. Other than because I'm Fruit Loops. Right, I'll just put those back in there, and I will just oh no, I'll show you something else first, and then I'll just, for anybody that hasn't been to Steph's, but please pop across to her anyway, because her tutorial is brilliant. But I know some people just like to you know, watch the person that's actually showing them. Oh, there they are, look. Nice little kaleidoscope of butterflies. Right, so for this bit you fold the paper up and you cut the bits off. Well, I've kept the pieces of paper, being me, and I've made some like little embellishments, and I love them. I got a little circle of card, 1/2 inch punch of card, stuck them on. This is my favourite one. Stuck them on. Another circle, little holes in the middle, little bit of string, and they're just weird and wacky little embellishments. That one could have done with a bigger circle. And I could just flick them up like that if you wanted to. But I can't throw little pieces of paper like this out. That's just, well, it's just terrible. Especially when it's my painty papers. Yeah, she'll have to get those on a card or something. They're not even on straight, these, because it was late at night when I was doing them. They're all a bit skew-whiff, but that's me. That's a pretty one. They're all pretty, in my opinion. Maybe not in other people's opinions. So don't throw the scraps away, peoples. That's that. So that is those. Right, stick those on top of the butterflies, and just quickly. So you want your square of paper. This is 6 by 6, I think. Decide which way you want it. We'll have it that way. So the bit that's going to be on the outside is this bit. And fold it diagonally. Diagonally again. Sorry, I'll try not to go too fast, so if you want to do it, and just, that makes me so happy making these. So you've done diagonal, diagonal, and then straight, and then straight again. Right. It can be a little bit tricky to start with. So these pieces here, I want to sort of bring those together like that. And then, so it's like that, look. And then just do the same on the other side. Press that little piece in like that. Oh, that one's gone together really easy. So you've got that. And you want it with the point down. No, you don't. Missing a step. You fold it over like that so that you've got the open edges like that. Well, I'm right-handed, so but you're going to be cutting these bits, not this piece, not that piece there, these pieces there. Just cut a little snip off there. Right, so then these are your little pieces that we don't throw in the bin. You can tell this is cheap paper, cheap paint that I would have used on there. Oh, I can't get those undone now. Yeah, so they're your little pieces that I originally said, oh, they're like little scrap bats or scrap fish. But then I've done other things to them. Oh, and for anybody that didn't see this other video, because I'd messed it all up, I ended up having to patch its bottom up. So it's got one of those pieces there, look. I know you've probably seen this if you've already seen this video. Another piece there, and then I decided to put the pieces on the bottom to make it into like a little swallowtail butterfly. So yeah, so they're your pieces to play with, or throw them away if that's what you really want to do. Shame on you if you do. Right, where were we? So we have it down like that, and then just want the top one of each side and sort of bring it down. I usually put my finger near the crease at the top. Can you see? Bring it down just like that. Same on the other side. If you don't like how you've cut your wings, you can always trim that up later. Right. And then this bottom piece, you're going to curl it round there. Just bend that little bit, fold that little piece across the top there. And then just, well, I mean, proper origami, you don't use glue, do you? But we do. Just fold that like that, give it a bit of a squeeze, and then that's your little butterfly. And if you just to have them like that, it depends what paper you use, because one of them, I mean, most of them have just stayed like that without me gluing them, but one of them, it was being a right naughty little monkey, it would not stop like that, it just kept going nope. And then you can, well, decorate it up however you want to. If you want to open them out a bit, do whatever. I really love these, really, especially because I'm using my painty papers up. Love. So thank you again, Steph, ever so much. And I've got a load more look cut out. These are going to be my nighttime project. I'm not doing them now. Look at this piece of paper. Oh, I just love that piece of paper. Love it. Well, I love all of them, but that is just yummy. I could eat it. But I won't, because I've got sausages in the oven for my lunch, brunch, breakfast. It's 1:45 and I've not even had any breakfast yet. Right, thank you again ever so much, Steph, and I'll keep going on, but yeah, and I'll leave the link to Steph's video. So if you can't make anything of what I've just shown you, then you definitely will, Steph, because her tutorial's brilliant. So take care, and I will speak to you all soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.